Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sriparna Saha, and in this particular lecture video series we are talking about how to start writing MATLAB codes from the scratch. That is, this particular lecture series is for the beginners. If you want to know much deeper of writing codes using different well-known coding platforms for different well-known algorithms, there are other lectures that has already been uploaded. You can go and check it. So this is the code 4, and we have already discussed the what is the meaning of MATLAB and how the variables have been represented in MATLAB and what are the addition could be done. That arithmetic operations has already been completed. So after addition in mathematics, it's all about multiplication. So let's talk about today, that is how to do scalar multiplication using MATLAB. This is the code number 4. So just check the particular code. It's a very short and crisp code. So I am not going to discuss about line number 1 to 3. I hope you have that I have numerous time explained this particular thing. So I hope you already know what is the meaning of this. So let's come to line number 5. Here you can see that one particular variable has been created, and what is the size, or you just need to know if it is a row vector or a column vector. You can understand it from the previous video. It has been properly mentioned why something, or how to write a code of row vector, how to write about column vector, how to make a matrix of n cross n dimension. Everything has been mentioned in the just previous video. You can just go and check it. So in line number 5, it is basically a row vector. So row vector means there is one row and 3 columns. Then line number 6 and 7 are used for displaying the particular variable x. And what is the DISP function? This function, I know you have already memorized the meaning of it, how to write it, how to implement it, and what is this particular within that single quotation, what is, if anything has been written within the single quotation, it is the string that will be as it is will be displayed in the command window. I know you are already familiar with that. If not, please check my previous videos. So come to line number 8. In line number 8, we are defining a particular scalar quantity. So size will be 1 cross 1, but it's a MATLAB, and the MATLAB full form is matrix laboratory. So any variable, whatever be the size, it will be taken as a matrix here. So y is equal to 10, that will also be taken as a matrix, and the size will be 1 cross 1. Now we are just displaying the particular variable y. Now y is a basically scalar quantity, and x is of size 1 cross 3. So there is one particular matrix and there is a scalar quantity. So you need to now multiply that particular matrix with the scalar quantity. So it is basically that particular scalar quantity will be multiplied with each of the element of the particular matrix. It is basically a element wise, but as the y is a scalar quantity, you do not need to put any dot star here. In the next video we are going to talk about what is the difference between star and dot star. For current scenario, just understand, if one particular matrix is a scalar one, that is size of 1 cross 1, then we do not need to put any dot star, just it will be star. So star denotes the multiplication operation in MATLAB. So mul, that is the multiplication short form, mul, that we have calculated, mul, that one particular variable where x star y has been done. So that means that is a multiplication here, and it will be element wise. Why? Y is a scalar quantity. So now the scalar multiplication result has been displayed by line number 14 and line number 15. So we are skipping the command, we are keeping the variables that are created that we haven't discussed in this particular lecture, that is the workspace. So what will be the variables that will be created in the workspace? One variable will be obviously x, one variable will be y, and another variable will be this particular variable that is created in the line number 13, that is mul, right? So x variable has been displayed, y variable has been displayed, and the multiplication. Now just check, y is a scalar quantity, so one particular value. we haven't put any dot star here, or we do not need to put any dot star. Why? Y size is 1 cross 1. So without putting dot star even, it will be a element wise multiplication. That is, 10 has been multiplied with each of the element present in X. Whatever be the elements, that is 1, 2, 3, and so what is the result will be 10, 20, 30. So this is all about scalar multiplication that has been done using only star operation. We do not need to put dot star. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you everyone for investing your time, and happy studying.